Doing leg workouts builds full body strength, improves balance, and gives you more energy throughout the day because strong legs mean a stronger you. Don't skip exercise 1. Welcome back. Today, we're building strong legs, starting with sit wall thighs workout. Keep your back straight and drive through your heels. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Moving on to weighted sandbag squat thighs. Control the weight on the way down and avoid locking your knees. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 3. Next up is the lever chair squat thighs. Squeeze your quads at the top for maximum definition. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 4. Now let's do Smith leg press thighs. Focus on your hamstrings and keep the movement slow and steady. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 5. Exercise 5 is the barbell front squat hips. If you're finding these workouts helpful, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily fitness guides. Exercise 6. Next is lever lying leg curl thighs. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and maintain a flat back. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 7. Moving to the lever leg extension. Keep your back straight and drive through your heels. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 8. Now for barbell bench front squat thighs. Push through your toes and hold the contraction for a second at the top. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 9. Finally, we have the cable hip adduction thighs. Finally, we have step-ups to finish strong. Keep your balance and thanks for watching. See you in the next workout.